guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and I'm back, people. It's my first video back since I took a mini pause from editing some of these videos and getting videos out. I just needed a little break from it all for the summer to kind of just like regroup and, you know, reset myself. I need to also work on my wellness, well-being, social life, dating life, all of those fun things. So I just needed a little break because I'm still a one-woman show here, kind of managing these projects and doing all of these projects and designing, and the editing and shooting can get a little bit time consuming, especially when you're trying to do it once a week. But I'm back and today's our first video and I'm excited to be sharing it with you today. I have lots of fun new projects coming out that you're not going to want to miss. Some really big projects. I'm even getting out of my comfort zone a lot. I'm going to be doing some carpentry skills on some projects that you're probably not going to want to miss those. But on with today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this super fun project. It is an extreme bedroom makeover design with like this like Bohemian design for a really fun hippie high school girl named Juliet. And we are going to give her such a good makeover in there. I know that you're going to like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And I would ask so kindly of you to please subscribe to my channel to help out your girl to like grow this side of the business and to grow my channel. Also, follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, because I'm going to be doing all kinds of fun reels on some smaller projects that maybe I'm not going to do full videos on. So check me out on there. Check out today's video, this extreme bedroom design, like extreme bedroom makeover design, Bohemian design. Check it out, you guys, you'll like it. We are back in this beautiful South Bay for this bedroom makeover project. I was out at the beach the other night and oh my god, you guys, it does not suck to live here, I tell you. We are specifically in Hermosa Beach for this project, so let's get to it and check out this space. When I first checked out Juliet's bedroom, I thought to myself, we have a really great foundation to begin with. However, it just felt kind of dark to me and also kind of lacking like the personality that she has. She's super cool girl and just like an exuberant personality. She also loves to read books and has like so many books but nowhere to really store things. We needed to think about storage solutions and kind of brightening the space up. I created a mood board for her using the app Milano, and Juliet wanted everything boho. She wanted plants, you guys, everywhere. We wanted to give her a place to put all of her books and showcase them and just all of the like bohemian vibes. She's also an Aries girl just like me. And so here is just kind of like my design sketch for her bedroom space. I thought it would be really cool if we set the bed up almost like a couch and kind of had like a ton of throw pillows on there. Really hot. I'm on day one of this beautiful boho bedroom makeover design for Juliet, and we are really getting rolling in here, and I'm super excited because this has kind of been a long one in the making. We kind of started like initial phases, or at least like mood boards and ideas and stuff back in January, and it's now August, so that's okay, but it's been summertime and they've been traveling and doing all kinds of things. We are finally rolling things in motion. We got the walls painted last weekend by my painter Rubelio. He's great. He painted it all white for us and it's looking so fresh in here, and it's kind of the perfect base for us to get started. She's got some new furniture that has arrived. It's so cute, this rattan bed, and also like a new dresser. I'm not going to share with you all of those little details just yet, but today I'm going to be installing things, hanging things, putting all that good stuff together, and it's going to be a busy day, so let's get started. My initial ideas were to kind of have this bed set up almost like a day bed and put it in the center of the room and have like a ton of throw pillows on it, but the scale just felt off, so here I am just kind of moving everything around to see what feels best in the space.
The next step was to hang up these bookshelves, and here I am just using some templates that I made and measuring everything out. I love these bookshelves. They're called T bookshelves. They're awesome, and this was a very time-consuming part.
I think that may have been one of the most annoying time-consuming tasks. Is just like, oops, measuring all of these guys out and making sure that they're the same for both sides. Fingers crossed, I think they're the same. It took a few tries and a few different, a few mistakes along the way, but that kind of happens when you're doing DIYs. I spared you the time, but I did obviously trace out the shelves, and I accounted for 2 inches, because their books are gonna stand about 2 inches taller than the shelf. So hopefully this looks good. Looks pretty even, right? Straight.
These bookshelves were actually pretty easy to hang after I had all the math figured out where I want them hung. Here I am just kind of installing, making sure they're all level, and it went fairly quickly from here.
Oh my God. I did it! I freaking did it. Looks pretty good. Sweet. Honestly, this is a proud moment. I feel proud because this stuff was not easy, I'm telling you. And it took me, how many hours? Probably like 3+ hours, maybe more. But it's up and they look beautiful and it was worth all the work.
Our next step was to pick out all of our plants and our pots. I hit up Hobby Lobby, which, to be honest, guys, I love this store so much. And I was specifically looking to pick up some stems versus buying just like pre-made faux plants. And so I hit up the stem aisle looking for the most realistic ones I could find, and also for pots. OMG, I just found the prettiest terracotta pots, and I just love them because the idea of like using the same color. But I like these because they come in like different shapes. They have like these square shapes, and they even have like this kind of like diamond triangular shape. There's some cylinder ones. I just thought that these would be so beautiful in our macrame pot hangers.
I'm getting ready to hang some beautiful greenery because no boho bedroom would be complete without some like beautiful lush, you know, plants and foliage. And as much as we would like to do real plants, being that these ceilings are pretty high, it would be really hard to take care of them. And she is a younger teenage-ish girl, so we want to keep things easy here. I hit up Hobby Lobby and I picked up the best greenery I could find, like the most realistic looking. And I think I found some pretty good ones, like this one. There's some other ones. Look how cute these are, like little cactuses. This snake plant is beyond realistic looking. And obviously we needed some like droopy ones, some like longer dangly hanging ones. And I have so many different pots. We have some macrame kind of like pot hangers that we picked up on Etsy. And I love using Etsy for a lot of project stuff because you can find like local artists. And look, you guys, how freaking cute is this? It's like this disco ball pot hanger. Pot hanger, it's not a pot hanger, it's a pot holder. It's a pot holder. A disco ball pot holder. I'm going in and out of blurriness. There we go. And for all of my pots that I picked up, I wanted to kind of keep it simple instead of doing like all different colored pots. I got all these like really pretty natural terracotta terracotta colored pots, but some of them are like different shapes. So like this one is like kind of a triangular shape and a square shape. I have more of just like a cylinder shape. I have all kinds of shapes, guys. And what I'm gonna do, and I thought this was way better than like buying just like pre-made artificial plants. So I'm basically making my own. So I picked up, these are just like stems, and you saw all the pots, and I got several of this like floral styrofoam to go at the bottom of the pot so my stems stay in place. So I'm really excited about this part. Let's get to all of this fun boho plant hanging. Yeah, let's do it. I am so excited about this. How freaking cute. Oh my God, I can't wait. Looks pretty real, I think. I think it looks real. And look how it's making this cool reflection on the disco party. Now, now for the scary part. Hey guys, I'm on day number 2 of this beautiful boho bedroom makeover for Juliet. I apologize, there's a little bit of construction going on next door, but today's an exciting day because I'm gonna be wrapping things up in here, and I have this giant box, and you might ask, what the heck is this? We are doing this beautiful kind of like fan wicker headboard kind of a moment. Originally, my thoughts were kind of to have the bed turned sideways and set things up as like a sofa with like pillows everywhere. But after just like putting it all together, it just didn't feel, it felt a little off. And it wasn't gonna be easy for them to make the bed that way. So we decided to keep it this way, but I am not gonna let this beautiful, cool boho moment go to waste. So let's open it up and check it out. So cute. Obsessed. So cute. I'm like obsessed. So I don't like how I can see the little screws here. So my solution is I'm just gonna snip a little piece off of 2 ends and hot glue this right here so it camouflages it. Running the show around here, coordinating, wow, like my words just totally scrambled. I would ask, Rosie, ruining my video. Hey.